Gear shift cable adjustment in car VW, Audi, seat, Škoda. Step-by-step guide. Proper cable adjustment ensures smooth and precise gear shifts. Errors can lead to difficulty in shifting gears or even gear slipping. Tools required. Necessary tools: 10 mm wrench, flathead screwdriver, locking pin, 05 mm drill bit or other rod of this diameter. Ensure you have all tools ready before starting to avoid interruptions. Understanding the mechanism. The gear shift cables connect the cabin lever to the selector mechanism on the gearbox. Incorrect adjustment can cause noise, difficulty in shifting, or even complete transmission failure. Before starting, check the condition of the cables. Worn-out cables may need replacement instead of adjustment. Identifying key components. The background images show the gear lever and linkage components. Before proceeding, make sure you identify the locking points. Step 1. Locking the selector. Set the gear lever to neutral. Locate the selector mechanism on the gearbox. Press and turn the locking pin. Locking the selector sets it in a neutral position, which is crucial for proper cable adjustment. Step 2. Locking the cabin lever. Remove the gear lever cover. Insert a locking pin. After setting the gear shift lever to neutral, lock the lever by inserting a 5 mm drill or other rod of this diameter into the holes visible near the lever. The gear lever should be locked in the neutral position. Check that the lever is truly locked. If it moves, recheck the locking mechanism. Common mistakes too. Not fully locking the selector before adjustment. Misaligning cables before locking them in place. Ignoring worn cables that may need replacement. Double-check each step to ensure accuracy. Step 3. Cable adjustment. Release the cable locks. Ensure both the selector and gear lever are still locked. Press the cable ends firmly and close the locks. Cables must be precisely set. Even a slight misalignment can affect gear shifting. Step 4. Unlocking and testing. Remove the locking pin from the gear lever. Unlock the selector pin. Test gear shifting. Shift through all gears several times to ensure smooth operation. If problems occur, repeat the adjustment process. Troubleshooting common issues. Gears are hard to engage. Check if the cables are worn or damaged. Gears pop out. The cables might be incorrectly set, or the selector mechanism could be worn. Creaking or resistance. Check for proper lubrication of the mechanism. If issues persist, consult a mechanic. Maintenance tips. Lubricate the gear linkage periodically to prevent wear. Check cable tension every 10,000 miles to ensure optimal performance. Replace cables if they show significant wear or corrosion. Regular maintenance helps avoid costly repairs. Summary. Adjustment complete. If shifting problems persist, check the condition of the cables and selector mechanism. It may happen that you are unable to lock the selector on the gearbox because the locking pin is broken. Very rare case, proper adjustment improves driving comfort and safety. Good to know, the locking pin for setting the transmission in neutral, required for adjusting the gear shift line, is often called selector lock, selector locking pin, gearbox positioning pin, selector service lock. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if this guide was helpful. Have questions?